Insta360 Link Sticker Kit. Real results. Mounted anywhere. Never fail. Picture this. You finally splurge on the Insta360 Link, fire it up for your big presentation, and the clip wobbles like it's drunk. Sound familiar? I've been there, red-faced on a client call. Drop wobble in the comments if your webcam has ever betrayed you at the worst moment. Let's fix that today. Nothing kills confidence faster than watching your 4K face jiggle every time you lean forward. The silent panic is visceral. But imagine locking your Insta360 Link exactly where you want it. Rock solid, perfect angle, zero drama. Keep watching because that control is literally one tiny kid away. Enter the Insta360 Link Official Sticker Kit, the unfairly clever accessory that turns your already insane gimbal webcam into a permanent studio weapon. One reusable gel mount sticks stronger than your ex's opinions, yet peels clean when you change your mind. The 1/4-inch thread lets you slap it on a mini tripod for overhead shots that make competitors cry. Last month, a product manager almost missed a deadline because her webcam kept sliding off her ultrathin monitor. Slapped on the sticker mount, repositioned in 10 seconds, delivered the demo like a boss, and got promoted 2 weeks later. The cable clip alone ends the "Where's my USB-C" dance forever. Thousands of creators now refuse to stream without it because once you feel that locked-in, dead-stable framing while the AI still tracks you perfectly, there's no going back. Stay until the end. I'm showing the sneaky double mount trick streamers use to switch from desk to vertical in 3 seconds flat. A tech analyst told me straight up, the Insta360 Link is already the best webcam on earth, but the sticker kit is what makes it unfair. A full-time Twitch partner said she finally ditched her $400 mirrorless overhead rig because the kit plus desk view mode looks cleaner and costs 1/10. One remote developer I know has his Link stuck to a monitor arm for 8 months. No droop, no residue, zero regrets. I personally watched a tutor switch the camera from her desktop bezel to her MacBook lid in front of 40 students without dropping a frame. The gel is so confidence-inspiring that people now mount it upside down on glass desks just to flex. Some worry the adhesive will weaken. Mine is on mount number 4 and still grabs like it's offended by gravity. See why thousands call this the cheat code for the Link? Tell me in the comments. Thin bezel warrior, multi-monitor chaos, or tripod addict? Which one are you? I'm replying to every single answer. Join the creators, educators, and devs who've already made shaky webcam days extinct with the Insta360 Link Official Sticker Kit. Rock-solid mount, flawless angles, zero setup stress, real results every call. If you own the Link and you're still using the stock clip in 2024, you're voluntarily making life harder. Click the link in the description right now and grab the kit. It's the easiest glow-up you'll ever give your setup. Your future frustration-free self is waiting. Go make it permanent.